everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a project share for a guest design team project that I made for scrapdivedesigns. I will have her linked below. I am showcasing the sunglasses as well as her tag dies. So there they are in the background. And this is my Instagram setup. I decided to do a quick video there since I was taking pictures and also making a TikTok. So if you have TikTok, please follow me. It'll be all linked below. So I love the sunglasses, you guys. You can make it into a shaker. I did some stitching around it. I added some hearts, which I picked up from scrapbook.com. And I also picked up this collection from scrapbook.com. It is the Simple Stories, and it is called Sweet Talk. So made a little box and added a handle. This box is an SVG file from Silhouette. The designer, I believe, does have a website. I will have her linked below if she does. I do know she has an Instagram. I forgot her name. I think it's Jamie Lane Designs, and I will have her linked below. But I did use Scrap Diva's love sentiment there as well. I layered it in threes and then added some stitching to it, added some leaves on the side, which was gifted to me by Lou David. I will have her link below. She has an Instagram. And I also added some charms from Beadcraft Babe, so I will have her linked below as well. So that's the little box, which I always use this box. This is one of my staples, go-to boxes to add little embellishments. So I did crochet her some heart tassels. Well, yeah, this is supposed to be I kind of outed myself, so yeah, let's not talk about who I made this for. But anyways, a little box with handmade crochet tassels. Okay, so the next project is this tag flip, and I love this tag flip, you guys. The die is amazing. Everything cuts like butter, and I use old die cutting machines, so I am one of those, you don't replace it until it is a goner. And I still have my Grand Caliber Spellbinders die cutting machine, you know, the hot pink one. Yeah, that one. And I just listed my Silhouette on Instagram. I have the first generation. And well, anyways, let's go ahead and look at this tag. I used her love sentiment as well. I popped it up on some foam. I added this mesh from Dollar Tree. Yeah, I can't link that, but yeah, they have it in Dollar Tree. So I did add a heart, a see-through heart with some sequins in it. So here's the second tag, and I did the same except with a star. Added the lips. I love the lips, and then added a dimensional sticker as you know, a little tiny mole there on the lips. Added this happy Valentine's Day chipboard. Very simple tag flip, you guys, but yet still cute. Did do some fussy cutting on the XOXO, which is in the collection, and then added these glasses. This is from another collection I can't remember from, but I added some dimensional stickers as well. Added the cabochon there, which was gifted to me, and I forgot by who. I forgot it. Yeah, I'm so sorry, but this is the last one. Added the flag that is listed in Scrap Diva's shop as well, and then I added the love. Do you see the love sentiment is see-through, and a shaker as well. Added the little bear, which is a fussy cut, and then also added some gifts there for the recipient. So this concludes the video. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Please check out scrapdivedesigns. I will also have my links below, and anyone else that I mentioned here. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.